they give me infection.
Jesus Christ.
This year, yeah. Okay, I don't catch you today. So say you can't even block me, you not fear. Useless. Hey, holiday. I tell you, call my husband a useless man. What is this? Come and say it before I injure you. This one a husband. This one Turuk Beken a husband. Oga, after you don't pull me finish, I tell you may you use condom. You say no. Say man, no worry. Say you go join my money. You can't block me and they call you, know they go. Ah, shit.
Oh, sorry.
You want wait, pay me pass the money where you give me. I use to take treaty fashion where you give me. So there, both the money when I take treaty fashion, both the one you supposed to give me, all of them you go pay me my money.
Only I don't even know this woman. I don't even know this lady. But why are you embarrassing me in front of my beautiful wife, my lovely wife?
Look at this face. See this waist.
I don't know
you don't know me.
I don't know you.
What's it be this one? Hey. Don't be your wedding ring where you forget for hotel room be this one. Because I never sell them, Abi. But you told me you misplaced this ring.
Yeah, maybe she helped me find it. Oh, madam, where did you see it? Glory. Glory.
Shut up there!
Jesus!
What's wrong with you? You derive pressure in hurting me. All this one I they talk so, eh? I'm not dead this one. Pay me my money, make I come up for you. Please, enough of all this embarrassment. How much is the money? How much?
Oh, Jesus.
When you're supposed to give me 60 plus 20, that's 80k. Baby, it's just 80k now, pay her.
I don't have the money. If I have, I wouldn't pay and I would have paid her since.
What kind of embarrassment is this? Eh? I don't have cash here, but I have gift card.
Please, trade it with Top Gift Card. They are the most reliable gift card trading app in the world. They offer the best prices. In fact, the price per $100 is 5,000 naira higher than other companies. They are available on Play Store and App Store. Use the promo code BS6666 and you get 1,000 naira bonus and 2% instant coupon.
Okay. Please, madam, call your account number.
Call your account number, are you stupid?
2041 80. This is your name, right?
That's her name.
Sense. You get lost if not be your wife.
Madam, get out! Don't be saying you won't sweet.
Hey, you got treat infection, though. Because I don't say you don't give you infection.
This man!
Meet me in the car.
What have I done with myself? What have I done with myself?
Babe, let me drive. This one that you're angry, please, let me drive.
Help me!